Chipolo has built a name for itself as the independent tracking company, which happily integrates its products with both Apple and Google's item-finding networks, like tags and all. And now it's expanding its business with a partnership with wallet maker Secrid. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. If you haven't guessed already, this partnership is set to launch a compatible mini wallet. The Chipolo Secrid Miniwallet Trackable is tailor-made to add Chipolo's card tracker with all of its positives. For instance, the tracker sits on the back of the wallet with the Find button accessible from the outside to make it easier to find your phone. If you misplace your device, you can simply press the button and follow the noise back to whichever couch cushions it slid between. The best part, you can track your wallet back as well with its amplified card speaker, ensuring you'll never not hear it when it goes off. The companies claim that the unit will boost the sound up by 3 dB for whenever you misplace your wallet, especially in the loud events that happen these days. The pair is also buffing the hardware's sustainability credentials. They say it's made in Europe from responsibly sourced materials, and the tracker itself is made from 50% recycled plastic and has a wirelessly rechargeable battery that'll regain all of its power after just 2 hours sat on a QI pad. If you find all these specs appealing, then you can order it for $140. This is the era where you'll never lose your wallet again. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.